Action Fit 1200 water resistance headphone. Now we are going to unbox this. I have got this headphone in 409 rupees, which is the most trusted seller of the Amazon, which is Cloudtel India. And the only drawback of this headphone was it has no mic. So as you can see, here is the gold plated 3.5 mm jack, which can be used in any headphone, any phone which support 3.5 mm jack. There are two earbuds, one is large size and another is of small size. The medium one are connected in the phone itself. Here we get a pouch, a very good quality pouch for the headphone. Here is the clip for attaching it to your shirt and whatever you wear. It a little bit big, but it's okay.
It's
I
also
think
removable.
I think that it's a budget headphone and we can't get something better than this in this amount is not possible. As you can see this, here is written Philips. It is the medium one. The look is very trendy and the wire is also good. Now we are going to check this earphone with my Redmi 3S Prime. As you can see that it is connected in my phone. Now I am going to play any songs. The wire is too long and the headphone are water resistant. They are not waterproof, they are water resistant. If we can, the sound quality is pretty good and the bass is medium, as I am a solo listener, and the headphones are quite comfortable. It is performance wise, these headphones are very good, and the main thing is that its 3.5 mm jack is gold plated, so we can't get any headphone with gold plating in 500 budget headphones. And the key pouch is pretty good and the material is soft, very soft. I think it's come with Philips tag, which is official brand tag. The earbud are of silicons. They are of silicons and they are quite comfortable in earphones. It's easy to remove and change the earbuds, as it come with the medium ones, so I am comfortable with the medium ones. If you have a small ear and a big ear, you can change this ear earbuds easily by removing this. Here is the technical specification. The MRP listed on this are 649 rupees, but I have got this earphone in offer in 409 rupees from the very trusted seller of the Amazon, which is Cloudtel India, for 4 lakh and above reviews. This comes with official brand packaging. They are, as you know, that it's a budget headphone, but there are very good specification written here, which is 15 to 22 hertz, 22,000 hertz, 106 dB, 32 ohm, 100 megawatt. Here is the some other things written, which is Philips company address and warranty guidelines. Inside what you get, it is the plastic. Okay, here is the full review of the Philips headphones. You can now order this headphone from the Flipkart, Amazon, and the Snapdeal too, from the 400 to 600 rupees range. I think it's a budget headphone if you are a sports person, or you want to an action headphone in the budget. So go for the SHQ 1200, Philips SHQ 1200 series headphone, which is good. Thank you for watching. Like and share and comment if you have any queries regarding this headphone. We will do a full review again of other headphone next week.